Hello everyone! This video we will discuss about the reproductive system of female on which hormone secreted by the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Do you know that hormone secreted by the hypothalamus and pituitary gland? And do you know the function of it? Well. We know that hormones are chemicals which circulate in bloodstream and it spread around into the body to carry messages to different parts. We have two sets of nerve cells in the hypothalamus that produce hormones. First, it sends the hormones where it produced down through the pituitary gland and released directly into the bloodstream. After it released, these hormones are antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin, where water absorption at the kidneys stimulates contraction of the uterus in childbirth and breastfeeding.
Second, produce stimulating and inhibiting hormones that reach the ulterior lobe of the pituitary gland.
Let's now discuss the ovarian cycle and menstrual cycle. Do you know what is the role of ovarian cycle and the menstrual cycle? Well, the ovarian cycle governs the preparation of endocrine tissues and it releases the eggs, while menstrual cycle governs the preparation and maintenance of the uterine lining. These cycles occur concurrently and are coordinated over 22 to 30-day cycle. Average length of this is 28 days. See Figure 1. FSH helps egg to mature in progression to release in ovulation, and this causes the growth of follicles on the surface of the ovary. Do you know progesterone help to ensure pregnancy on which they maintain the endometrium? Estrogen and progesterone release when follicles grow, and this time it will go through the fallopian tubes where it takes 7 days. The ovulation will not only occur during pregnancy but during lactation, and this will also occur about 14 days. See Figure 2. Egg releases and ruptures. If there are follicles that did not rupture, degenerate, and their eggs are lost. When the extra follicles degenerate, estrogen level decreases. The luteal phase entails formation of the corpus luteum and suppression of progesterone hormone. During this time, the lining of uterus will get thicker to prepare for a possible pregnancy. Well, if pregnancy implantation does not occur, the lining will slough off, and after 5 days, menstrual cycle will enter the proliferative phase. For this time, let's talk about what is menstrual cycle. Do you know what is the menstrual cycle? Well, menstrual cycle occurs due to the shedding of the endometrial lining. Menstrual cycle starts at the age of puberty, 11 to 14 years, until menopause, 40 to 45 years. 3 phases were included in menstrual cycle. First is menstrual flow, proliferative, and secretory. The calendar of menstrual cycle. 1 to 7 is the menstruation. 8 to 9, possible to conceive. 10 to 14 is ovulation, the fertile window. Possible to conceive is 15 to 16, 17 to 28 is the thickening of uterine lining in days. This is what will happen if there's no sperm cells enter to the egg cells.